Wales and the world are changing. For over a century, the people of Cymru have come together to shape a better world. From the vision of early peace pioneers to the opening of the Temple of Peace.
I pray that it may come to be regarded by the people of my country as a symbol of our determination to strive for justice and peace in the future.
Our history is built on learning, action and connection. The world has evolved and it's time for us to evolve with it. WCIA, the Welsh Centre for International Affairs, is now Cymru Global. We connect the people of Cymru to each other and the world, inspiring everyone to play their part as global citizens. We focus on 5 core areas of work: learning, peace, heritage, climate and volunteering. Our learning programmes spark curiosity, connect communities and celebrate Cynefin and heritage, empowering people to act, share perspectives and shape a collaborative Cymru. Our peace education programmes and Academy Heddwch Cymru help people of all ages understand what peace really means, take action and shape solutions. Our heritage work brings Cymru's rich international history to life, running exhibitions and events at the Temple of Peace and beyond that inspire reflection, dialogue and global action. Through Climate Cymru and local projects, we tackle climate and nature emergencies, driving grassroots action for a fairer and nature-positive future. Our volunteering programmes are built on the belief that everyone has something to give and gain, creating inclusive opportunities in youth action, climate, heritage and global exchange. Our new identity, Cymru Global, reflects who we have always been and marks a bold step forward, carrying our century-long legacy into the future, to a world that needs us now as much as ever. We stand for a peaceful, just and healthy planet, and we invite you to be part of the movement. So, from Gorsainon to Gaza, Llangollen to Lesotho, Cardigan to Kyiv, and Felinheli to Vietnam, let's make a connection. Visit Cymru.global to learn how you can connect with us and get involved.